The Revenge of the Desert Rabbits. In the middle of a wide golden desert near a sparkling blue lake lived a kind rabbit named Suraab and his beautiful mate, Jeeni. Their home was a small narrow burrow under the sand dunes. Though simple, it was warm and peaceful. Every weekend, their dear friends, a gentle deer and a clever crow, came to visit. The friends laughed together, shared food, and spent their evenings watching the sunset over the quiet lake. Life was full of joy. Each morning, Suraab and Jeeni went out to graze in the soft grass near the water. A week later, Jeeni gave birth to 4 tiny baby rabbits. They were beautiful, soft, white, and full of life. Suraab and Jeeni loved their little ones deeply. They watched them grow, hop around, and play happily near their burrow. One afternoon, while grazing, they met their friend, the deer. The deer's face looked worried. "Suraab, Jeeni," said the deer, "I saw a black cobra near the lake today." Jeeni, who was dark-colored herself, became silent. Fear filled her heart. She thought about her babies, so small, so helpless. That night, Suraab and Jeeni stayed awake, whispering in fear. "What if the cobra finds our home?" Jeeni said softly. "We'll protect them," Suraab promised, "no matter what." The next day, while they were grazing, Suraab saw something move near the lake. It was the black cobra, gliding towards the water to drink. Quickly, the rabbits hid their babies deep inside their burrow. For a moment, they thought the danger had passed, but they were wrong. The cobra smelled the scent of the young ones and slithered straight into the burrow. Jeeni screamed, "My baby! My baby!" Before they could stop it, the cobra struck one of the little ones with its deadly fangs. The baby died instantly. Then the cobra swallowed it whole and disappeared into the sand. Suraab and Jeeni tried everything to save their baby, but it was too late. They wept all night. The next evening, the cobra came again, and this time it attacked another of their babies. Suraab and Jeeni escaped with the 2 remaining little ones, hiding in the desert, heartbroken and afraid. When the sun rose, Jeeni's sorrow turned into fury. "That cruel cobra took our babies," she said, trembling with anger. "I will not rest until it pays for what it has done." She thought deeply and soon came up with a plan. In the desert mountains nearby, there was a pond where the cobra came every day to drink water. Jeeni and Suraab decided to dig a deep pit in the cobra's path. They covered it carefully with leaves, sand, and dry bushes, and on top, they placed a piece of frog skin, something the cobra loved to eat. Then they climbed up a rock and hid quietly, waiting for the monster to come. As the blazing sun burned over the desert, the black cobra appeared, gliding across the sand. It moved closer and closer to the pond, and then saw the frog skin. Its tongue flicked hungrily. The cobra slithered forward, and suddenly, thud! It fell deep into the hidden pit. Jeeni and Suraab quickly called their friends, the deer and the crow. Together, they picked up heavy stones and dropped them into the pit, one after another. The cobra hissed and tried to escape, but a large rock struck its head. After a few moments, the desert grew silent. The black cobra was dead. Suraab and Jeeni looked at each other, tears of relief in their eyes. Their brave hearts had avenged their little ones. From that day on, the desert became peaceful again. The deer and the crow visited every weekend, and the 2 surviving babies grew healthy and strong. The story of Jeeni and Suraab, the brave desert rabbits, spread far and wide, a tale of love, courage, and the victory of the innocent.